Every successful kitchen starts with a well-executed plan. At Arctic Food Equipment, we support architects, engineers, and end users with fully coordinated kitchen solutions. From concept and initial layout through the long-term operation. High performance starts in the design phase. Arctic provides detailed CAD and Revit drawings that can integrate seamlessly into your plans, ensuring accurate layouts, proper clearances, and an ideal kitchen. Our team works alongside you to specify equipment that aligns with the end user's intent, optimizing workflow, utility requirements, and equipment lifetime operation. As the project progresses, we can handle equipment purchasing, then coordinate delivery, ensuring deadlines are met and minimizing job site complications. Our factory-trained installation team ensures every piece of equipment is safely delivered, set in place, and installed to manufacturer requirements. Our involvement assures your client their project will meet both design specifications and operational requirements. And our relationship doesn't stop at project completion. Arctic's service team provides ongoing maintenance, repairs, and warranty support, keeping the kitchen operating exactly as designed for the lifetime of the equipment. From concept design to installation to ongoing support, Arctic Food Equipment is your single source partner from start to finish.